The National Weather Service in Des Moines has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Hardin County in central Iowa, Marshall County in central Iowa, northwestern Tama County in central Iowa, Franklin County in north central Iowa, Wright County in north central Iowa, Hancock County in north central Iowa, Grundy County in central Iowa, southwestern Butler County in north central Iowa, northeastern Hamilton County in central Iowa, southwestern Cerro Gordo County in north central Iowa, until 7:45 p.m. At 6:40 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 5 miles northwest of Clarion Municipal Airport to near Iowa Falls Municipal Airport to near Conrad, moving north at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Iowa Falls, Steamboat Rock, Blairsburg, Horwath, Morrison, Bradford, Ackley, Clarion Municipal Airport, Wellsburg, Woosterville, Buckeye, Hampton Municipal Airport, Eagle Lake State Park, Belmont, St. Anthony, Lincoln, Belmont Municipal Airport, Eldora, Appleton, and Galt. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 142 and 184. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning is issued until 7:45 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa: Butler, Cerro Gordo, Franklin, Grundy, Hamilton, Hancock, Hardin, Marshall, Tama, and